Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add photo, shape, and object on PowerPoint mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open my Microsoft PowerPoint application. I'm going to go to my Microsoft. Okay, and then I'm going to click on create, and since we want to create Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, we can select PowerPoint, and I'm just going to choose a blank presentation. Okay, and now Microsoft PowerPoint document has been created, and I'm going to show you how we can add photo, shape, or object to this PowerPoint. If you want to add photo, shape, or object, we need to go to the insert menu. You can click on the symbol, guys, this little arrow, and now we are in home section, and we have to change it to insert menu or insert section. Okay, and in this insert menu, we'll be able to add such as text box and table, pictures, videos, audio, shapes, or link. And the first one, I'm going to show you how we can add pictures. So I'm going to select pictures, and here we can either take new photo with our camera or insert photos. And I'm just going to select photos, and then I'm going to add photos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to add this one. Okay, we can click on the symbol. Okay, and before we add it to our PowerPoint, we can edit the photo. We can rotate it or crop it. It's up to you. And I'm going to crop the photo like this. And then I'm just going to click on review and edit. And then I'm going to click on finish. Okay, and now the picture has been added to this design. Wait, I'm just going to remove this text box. Okay, I'm going to delete it. Alright, and if you want to add a shape, just go to the insert menu again. And go to insert and then select shape and choose the shape you want to add. I'm just going to add this circle, for example. Okay, and you can edit the shape. You can change the color of the shape and also change the outline, and it's up to you. If you want to add another object, just go to the insert menu. Go back to the insert menu. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add photo, shape, and object on PowerPoint mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!